Hi there, I'm Jonathan Tilley, personal brand strategist who helps creative people shine online and share their talent with the world. And I'm honored to be speaking at APDO 2022, Time for Change. So it's pretty clear to see that you're a pro at decluttering and organizing your clients' physical spaces, but did you know that I declutter and organize creative freelancers' digital content for their spaces online? Yep, sure do. So this couldn't be a better fit. Now that said, although you are a pro at decluttering and organizing other people's spaces, turning that magnifying glass on your own business can feel a little intimidating. People pleasing, biting off more than you can chew, and having a to-do list a mile long. It's a recipe for disaster when it comes to building your brand and business on and offline. In my keynote, Niche Down to Brand Up, you'll learn how to let go of the tiring tasks that weigh you down in your business. Niche down on the offerings that do vibe with you, position yourself as the go-to person in your niche, build up your personal brand around that niche, and finally market yourself as the niched down, branded up expert in your field. Now, after this keynote, you'll walk away with an easy to implement strategy that oozes confidence, attracts your dream clients, and finally turns your hectic day into a streamlined way to play. And in my workshop, Social Media Made Easy, you'll learn how to bust your social media myths that are holding you back, easily decide which one social media platform is the best one for your business, plan out a simple, branded, and aligned content strategy, batch your content in advance, and split your time on social media between posting and engaging with your dream clients. When this workshop is over, you'll feel like a huge weight has been lifted off of your shoulders. You'll know exactly what social media platforms work best for you and have an aligned content strategy that works for you while you're working in your business. At the end of the day, your website and social media presence need to exude a decluttered and organized best version of your business so your clients can find you, vet you, and ultimately book you. So let go of the fear of tech, web design, and social media, and lean into the simple and effective ways to position yourself online as the go-to expert in your field. I don't know about you, but I'm so ready to meet you and all the other like-minded APDO conference goers face-to-face, have a meaningful conversation about your business, and find fun and creative ways of turning your thoughts into things so you can shine online and share your talent with the world. Oh, and I almost forgot, a fun fact about myself. Before I became a personal brand strategist, I used to be a musical theater performer in productions of Cats, 42nd Street, Mamma Mia, Dance of the Vampires, A Chorus Line, so you can be sure that my keynote and workshop will be educational and entertaining, with tons of fun surprises thrown in there as well. But I can't give away too much, so I guess you'll just gotta be there at the event to see what tricks I have up my sleeve. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you very soon.